Hey, I am Simon. I'm with UXV Technologies. I'm here together with Ian. Ian is a partner of ours from Zenith Aerotech. They use with the SRoC the SRM ODU to have a wired solution to external COM modules. So not only using this, Zenith can also take some of the embedded radio modules like our smaller SRM form factors and swap on the controller. And then of course they also use our swappable battery modules for longer runtime of the controller, which is also very, very important because when it comes to the Quad 8, which is Zenith Aerotech's platform, they also have a long runtime, right?
Yeah, so we're an American-made drone manufacturer. We specialize in tethered systems. This is our Quad 8, has 20 pounds payload capacity. We're payload agnostic. We can do different things like lights, cameras, different radio relay applications. So we're a tethered drone manufacturer. We can run for a really long time, and the swappable batteries make that a breeze when just being able to hot swap the batteries, being able to extend the battery life of the SRoC. Yeah, also being able to swap radios to have either an RF backup or even a hardline connection straight into the system to have an RF silent system as well. And yeah, the SRoC's a great product. We use it for our C2 command and control, as well as gimbals and all the other payload control that we can do.
From an end user's perspective, your Quad 8 has some unique features when it comes to end use. What would the end user in a military or tactical scenario, what would they specifically look at?
Yeah, so the Quad 8 is our most weather reliant system. It can handle winds up to 30 miles an hour, and it can handle pretty strong precipitation as well. The entire unit's been hardened weather-wise, so to have the IP65 rating is really helpful to us. And we also use it to control the system, to control the command and control, but as well with the gimbals that we're carrying, just to have the modularity too, to have this product be able to be used with other systems, not just ours. It makes it really a powerful product.
Thanks, Ian. I appreciate it.
Yes, yeah, great to meet you guys. Looking forward to it.